Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really trying to do this recording thing and really getting, you guys these videos. It's like every time I think I'm gonna record, or when I get into the shop, because I do work in the shop, I always forget to record. And after I'm finished doing the hairstyle, I'm like, oh, I could have recorded that. So I'm gonna try to get these videos out. And I'm gonna start doing it too to get more comfortable with remembering to have the camera with me. I'm gonna even do like stuff like this, like talking or anything like that. And as you can see, I actually posted a video with me and my daughter's godmom, Shamika. So it's Shamika S Hair. I'm gonna put that down below. We did a video together. It's called Tea Talk. So we're gonna start doing a lot of those, and hopefully that'll get me into remembering to record the video myself. Set the camera, and I'm gonna do a weave today, or a half up, half down weave today. And by the way, this is a little wig that I made, with the closure. So yeah, okay, I'm about to go to work, and hopefully I remember to set the camera or just record some of the stuff for you guys today. And yeah, I'm looking kind of cute today. A little bit, a little something. I ain't used to the camera, like recording myself talking and blabbering, but I look decent, right? I need to figure out how to, like, where to put my eyes at, because I know I probably look weird. So bear with me, y'all. All right, bye. Hey, y'all. Okay, so we decided that we're gonna do half up and half down. So I'm gonna section out the hair now, to where you have the back gonna be braided and the top is gonna be up. Okay, I just need to put everything in its spot so things don't get in my way, because I like to be organized. Okay, here I'm just going to section off the hair that needs to cover up the tracks. You'll see here that the hair that I just pulled out, that's going to cover the back. So I already had started braiding, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing the up-down method to braid up the back, and I decided to do up-down instead of the beehive method. You could do either or, but I just chose to do this one. Okay, all done with the braid down, everything nice and flat. Okay, so now I'm going to start sewing in the hair, and just really a side to side method. That's pretty much all I'm doing. And I'm gonna sew about 2.5 bundles in, all the way till I get to the top. finishing up the last little bit. Then that'll be completed for the first step of the half up and half down. Okay, so I'm gonna take a slight press and blend that leave out that I had did before in the beginning. How I did that little leave out there. Just gonna press it down now. Okay, so now I need to press out for the ponytail part. Gotta get that all sleek and nice. In order to get it sleek, I gotta press it out or flat iron it, whichever you want to do. Okay, so I need to use some Maurice wax. That's what I'm going to use, the Maurice wax, to give it, you know, some stickiness to it to hold together. Also followed by spritz. So this and some spritz to get it up in a nice sleek ponytail. Okay, so you know I gotta get some baby hairs in there. Baby hair popping. Just gonna not do too many. Just gonna do like, you know, something simple but still give it a little to it. Yes, baby hair popping. Look at that swoop. Okay, so I'm putting a little spritz on there to hold everything down, make sure it's molded all the way. And yes, my client is holding it for me because I didn't feel like trying to do all that, and plus I wanted you guys to see. So I'm just gonna hold it on like some warm air, get everything laying down right. Okay, so now I need to hold them baby hairs down and just hold that front down so everything can be held into place while I put the ponytail on. Okay, so I'm about to start sewing the ponytail on. You don't have to sew every time you wrap around, but I say every other time, start sewing it down. And I'm sewing it on that braid there that I had created. Okay, so I had realized that I forgot to flat iron the back, so let me go ahead and flat iron the back, and the style will be over. Everything is done. We completed the second part. The ponytail is complete, so let me just flat iron the back, and then we're done. Okay, let me take these wrap strips off, and voila, everything is done and completed. Yes, baby hair is held down, ponytail is intact. Put a little shine spray on it. That kind of give the little whiteness from the edge control or the spritz, kind of take that away. But look at, she loves it. I love it. Go on, girl. Alrighty, you guys, that's it on this half up, half down. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.